Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Be sure to subscribe on the bottom of this page, and be sure to follow me on social media, Makeup Artist 27. And yes, before you leave, be sure to give a thumbs up. Today it's gonna be a little unboxing of Boxy Charm, and we're gonna be unboxing Boxy Charm Luxe and Boxy Charm Premium. And for the first time, we are unboxing a Boxy Charm Premium X Fenty Beauty. Yes, Fenty Beauty. So I guess this is the premium one, right? Yeah. I have here the premium box. Let's see how I'm gonna open this. Probably with my scissors in here. We're gonna be unboxing. I decided to do an unboxing only just to change it up a little bit. I always do a makeup, but I want to do a full face of Fenty Beauty now that I have a bunch of Fenty Beauty stuff that I got on my box. So we are going to open here. Let's see. We have Boxy Charm. Look, this is the Boxy Charm Luxe. Ooh. Oh, so excited. All right, so we have, I don't think I have a little, they didn't give me a little, another little flyer. No, they did not give me the little flyer. All right, so whenever I put this video, I'll put the prices and stuff because I didn't get the flyer. But we have NARS Power Mate Lip Pigment, and is warm leathery, I think, something like that. This is the Boxy Charm Luxe. Ooh, I don't have a lipstick like that. Ooh, that's a beautiful color there. That is a beautiful color. Love that, love that. Next we have two of these creams. I never had these before. Brazilian Boom Boom cream and Coco Cabana cream. Before, people say they say it stinks. This one smells good. The Brazilian. People say it used to stink. This one is kind of it's because it's coconut, so it gives you that coconut vibes. But I'm happy with these. I don't have these. So what this is like moisturizing creams, body, okay, like body creams. All right, next we have Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. I'm trying to figure out what the heck. Glow Glaze, I guess it's like a highlighter. It says Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. Maybe it's a highlighter. I'm not sure what it is. I put it somewhere there next to the lipstick, in the bottom of the lipstick. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I guess it's like a highlighter. It has vitamin C, cold pressed avocado, melon blend, and bitter ginger. Infused with Glow Nectar Brightening Complex. So it's kind of like a highlighter I see in there. Alright, not bad, not bad. Then we have some brushes. Bombshell Baker. This is cute. No, this is not brushes, this is straws. We got more straws. I love these straws. Love them. And it comes with a little brush and everything. Ooh, love that. I forgot that we got these straws in too. Love these. From Bombshell Baker. Bombshell Baker. Love the pouch and everything. It's so pretty. Next we have some the traceless hair rings. I love these things, especially with curly hair. my hair tends to get cut on the rubber bands and stuff. These ones are good because it doesn't break your hair at all. And we have a little set of 3, which is perfect. Next, I remember I picked this thing. I picked the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron with cool tip. I picked this up. I think it was this and something else, but I don't remember what was the other thing. I don't know if it was a straightener or something like that. But I got this mini curling thing because you can never go wrong with these things. I got so many hair things, and the thing is I don't straighten my hair anymore. Like, you can barely see me with straight hair anymore. Like, I don't straighten my hair at all. So I don't even know I got these things, but I don't use them. Does that make sense? But you never know. Sometimes you can straighten your hair, and then I usually do, but I don't. But when I do, then I'll curl it or something, you know? I'm excited for this. This is a facial cleaner. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Look at that. It is from PMD Clean. It's a smart facial cleansing device. I don't know if you need batteries or... Oh yeah, it brings you a battery. Okay, and it brings you a battery. I'm not gonna put the battery because I had to take it off. But it brings you a battery and you can do your face. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I am so excited for this. That is so that is exciting. Super good. I'm excited for this. Next we have a Boxy Charm palette. This is cute. Hello Charmers. Ooh, those colors. Wow. I saw it, but I didn't think I was gonna get it because it was in the Boxy Charm base box. But oh my god, I have to try this. I have to try this. Guys, this Boxy Luxe box is big. I think it's one of my favorites so far. Everything that came in, I totally love. I was not frustrated. I was nothing. Everything I liked. Everything here I really liked. Alright, so now I'm super extra excited because I'm gonna be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium, which is with Fenty Beauty. So all the products are not exclusive. All the products are part of Fenty Beauty. I might have repeated ones, which I might put on a giveaway. But of course, you gotta subscribe so I can continue with my giveaways. My next giveaways is when I reach 1,500 subscribers. We are in 1,200 and something. So please subscribe and you'll get into my next giveaway. You know, I might surprise one in Instagram, but you have to be subscribed to my channel first. So let's open this baby right here. Let's see. Everything is Fenty Beauty. Boxycharm Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty, it's by Rihanna. She's just doing so many things. I love it. So look, everything is Fenty Beauty. Everything in there, it's Fenty Beauty. Woo! We got one. Let's see how many icons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. What else do you want, actually? There's like a box in the bottom, but it's just the box is Fenty Beauty. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I am so excited to open all of these items. Who knows if I have repeated stuff? I might, but let's see what we have. First we have the Rihanna Plush Matte Lipstick. I don't think I have none of this. I only have one, and it's a purple one. So this is kind of like a brown color, caramel. That's a beautiful color. Love that. Love that. I don't have this, so I'm excited to try that. I don't have this. So. Next, let's open this up. I believe I have this. This I do have. This is the highlighter Trophy Wife, which I do have. So this is gonna be up for a giveaway. And the plastic came off, but there you go. I already have this item, and I don't plan to use this. I'm gonna give it away, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't, so I can start those giveaways. Okay, next item we have Universal Lip Luminizer Diamond Milk. I don't know if I have this. Oh, I don't. This is a new one. This is like a white type. Ooh, I like that. This is the lip glosses. I have like 3 of them, but I don't have this. I think this is one of the new ones that she came up with. Then we have Shimmer Skin Stick. I don't have this either. I think. This is kind of like a gold stick. I don't know if I have this. I know I have the contour ones, and I know I have like the blush type ones, but I don't think I have this. This is like a gold one, so it's kind of like a highlighter base. Next we have, ooh, I don't have this. This is the blotting paper, which is like when you like feel like oily and stuff, you can use these paper things for the oil, you know. These are good. I don't have this either. And of course we got the Fenty Beauty palette, which I didn't have before. This is the Fenty Beauty palette. So pretty. This is my first palette of Fenty Beauty. Now I think I have everything in Fenty Beauty, like a full face. The only thing I don't have is the new mascara, but that's it. But we're gonna do a full face of Fenty Beauty. That's gonna be one of my next videos, so keep an eye on that. Because I don't have primer, but I do have foundations, concealer. I have the setting powder, lipsticks. Now I have a palette. Liners, I don't have liners, but who needs a liner, you know? But we good. We got both of these. That is it, guys. That is all my products for Boxycharm. This month was one of my favorites for sure from this year. And I think from overall, like these boxes were good. Especially with the cleansing stuff, the like the creams. Everything was good in the boxes. I totally loved them. If you're not subscribed to Boxycharm, I don't know what you're waiting for, because it's so worth it. Like, you get so many good products, and whatever you don't use, you can give it out. You can I personally just give it away on my giveaways that I have on my channel or my Instagram. And if not, I'll give it to my mom. I give some as gifts sometimes, you know. Birthday coming, all right, let me look at my stash. And that's how I do it, you know. But Boxycharm, it's so worth it. $25 for the box, for the base box, $35 for premium, and $50 for Boxy Luxe, which is every 3 months, which is not bad at all. Not bad at all. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you guys got. Let me know which was your favorite product. Mine was the Boxycharm premium for sure, with all the Fenty Beauty stuff. I'm a Rihanna fan for sure. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope to see you in my next video with all the subscriptions.